Hi friends, let's explore 8 different types of trucks in this video. Are you ready? Let's go. Fuel truck.
Fuel truck.
Front loader truck.
Front loader truck.
Food truck.
Food truck.
Dump truck.
Dump truck.
Dump trailer truck.
Dump trailer truck.
Delivery van.
Delivery van.
Curtain side truck.
Curtain side truck.
Rollback truck.
Rollback truck.
Roll-off truck.
Roll-off truck.
Chipper truck. Brush truck.
Brush truck.
Box truck.
Box truck.
Water truck.
Water truck.
Water sprinkler truck.
Water sprinkler truck.
Vacuum truck.
Vacuum truck.
Farm truck.
Farm truck.
Cable reel truck.
Cable reel truck.
Utility truck.
Utility truck.
Utility pole truck.
Utility pole truck.
Trailer truck.
Trailer truck.
Tractor unit.
Tractor unit.
Tow truck.
Tow truck.
Tanker truck.
Tanker truck.
Street sweeper truck.
Street sweeper truck.
Snow plow truck.
Snow plow truck.
Side loader truck.
Side loader truck.
Refrigerated truck.
Safety modernization
Refrigerated
guidelines
truck.
to help you securely get your temperature-sensitive load.
Road assistance truck.
Road assistance truck.
Road maintenance truck.
Road maintenance truck.
Rescue truck.
Rescue Truck.
Rear loader garbage truck.
Of the truck.
Rear loader
The driver will
garbage
exit the
truck.
vehicle and bring the plastic bin to the
Postal truck.
Very tall, so we can have a
Postal
92
Truck.
percentile individual stand in the back and comfortably work.
Pipe carrier truck.
Pipe carrier truck.
Pipe layer truck.
Pipe layer
Pickup truck.
pickup truck.
Mobile library truck.
Coming soon,
Mobile
the Detroit
library
Public Library
truck.
will be back on the road again with a
Mobile crane truck.
Mobile crane truck.
Mining dump truck.
Mining dump truck.
Milk truck.
Milk truck.
Lowboy truck.
Lowboy truck.
Logging truck.
Logging truck.
Livestock truck.
Livestock truck.
Ice cream truck.
Ice cream truck.
Hydrovac truck.
Hydrovac truck.
Heavy duty wrecker.
Heavy duty wrecker.
Hazmat truck.
Hazmat truck.
Built in Lake Park, Florida at
Grain truck.
Grain truck.
Furniture truck.
Furniture truck.
Flatbed truck.
Flatbed truck.
Fire truck.
Fire truck.
Car carrier truck.
Car carrier truck.
Cement mixer truck.
Cement mixer truck.
Concrete pump truck.
Concrete pump truck.